Hi guys, so welcome back to another video, and this video is going to be more about something which I've been planning for a very long time, and since the start of it. So over here you can see that I have got this email which is modyourdevice34@gmail.com, and this is my new way to help you guys out. So you can email me on this, and here I'll help you with everything possible over the internet. So if you're living in some other country, I can help you out as well. So first suggestion that I'd like to ask is, do you guys want me to start accepting mail-ins where you can send over your device and I can help you guys by that? So what it is actually about. So say you want your device to have an unlocked bootloader, install custom recovery or custom ROMs, root your device, or you have been trying something out and you have bricked your device and you can't fix it anymore, or you are done with all sort of custom recovery and wants to move back to stock recovery. So I can help you guys with everything. You just have to reach out to me mentioning your device, OEM, model, and just general information that I might require later on, but the device, what you want to do and how I can help you with, and then we can talk over the email and negotiate, and we can move ahead how to do, when to do, and when it's possible, and what can we do to it. So we can have a talk over that on the email. Now, to be honest, there are very certain OEMs which allow anything to be done to the device, and I really feel bad that even now we are being restricted to do what we can, and that's why I want to make everyone have the ability to do whatever they want with the software of their device. As an example, my Samsung A34 could only record 4K 30 FPS in the Samsung stock app, but after installing Gcam, I was able to use 4K 60, and my device is well capable to do that. That is what the OEM are doing. They want us to have just limit the device performance so that they can cut the price down. So I can help you guys with Samsung, Google, Asus, Motorola, OnePlus Nothing, CMF, and Fairphone, as Oppo, Realme, Vivo, and I can also help you guys out with Xiaomi if you have an unlocked bootloader, because getting the bootloader unlocked for Xiaomi is a really big task. So if in future I'll be able to do that, I'll also include Xiaomi. But if you want any sort of custom ROM or anything, I can help you guys, but the requirement is that you must have an unlocked bootloader. And for the listed devices on your screen, like this is OEM, I can help you guys with anything, and make sure you write me an email of what you want, and then we can go ahead with that. So this is what I have wanted to announce, and I just want a very big suggestion that in the comment you make sure to just answer it, that should I start accepting mail-ins. And if you guys are from India, let me know for sure that should I do it. And even globally, if you guys want me to, I'll be happy to accept mail-ins and try to do it. But I can't promise everything globally, but in India I'm open for all sort of mail-in and everything. Make sure you reach me out on this email. So thank you for watching.